In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in Luminar Neo. Layers are one of the most powerful features for creative editing, and once you understand them, you can experiment freely without touching your original photo. Think of layers like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Your main image sits at the bottom as the base layer. Anything you add, an extra image, a light flare, or a texture, goes on its own sheet above it. Because each layer is separate, you can edit it independently. This is called non-destructive editing, and it's the key to staying flexible while you create. Start by opening your photo and switching to the Edit tab. On the left side, you'll find the Layers panel. If the interface feels busy, take a moment to hover and familiarize yourself with the icons. This is your control center for everything you're about to stack. To add a new layer, click the plus icon. You'll be able to bring in another image, such as a logo or overlay, apply light effects like flares or bokeh, or drop in textures to change the mood. You can keep adding more. Luminar Neo lets you stack multiple layers so you can build up looks gradually and decide what stays and what goes. After you add a layer, adjust it in place. Click and drag to move it. Use the corner handles to resize and rotate if you need to match angles in your scene. These transforms affect only the selected layer. Take your time here. Lining things up cleanly and keeping proportions natural will make your final blend look polished. Next, fine-tune the opacity. The opacity slider controls how visible the selected layer is. At 100%, the layer is fully visible. Lowering it makes the layer more transparent, so the photo beneath starts to show through. Small adjustments often make the biggest difference, especially with light effects and textures, where subtlety helps them feel integrated. As your stack grows, manage your layers to stay organized. Toggle visibility to quickly hide a layer and compare before and after. Delete any layer that isn't working to keep things tidy. Remember that layers stack on top of each other. Items higher in the list appear above those below. Luminar Neo uses a stack-based system, and control over rearranging is more limited than in traditional pixel editors, so order matters. A simple best practice is to keep your background at the bottom and place effects and overlays on top. That's the workflow. Open, add, adjust, blend, and manage. With layers, you can explore bold ideas while keeping full control of your original image. Have fun experimenting and building your own creative stacks.